Hello, my name is Sol and we are right now at Biltegia. Biltegia means old warehouse. And this is because we are located at the old warehouse of the old train station of Latasa. Biltegia is a women-led project with the aim of promoting sustainable tourism as well as an active lifestyle. In here we can find a restaurant. We have a small allotment where we try to outsource our own veg. We have a small shop with organic and local produce, and we also have a service for renting bikes and a small workshop for small repairs. We find ourselves in one of the main starting points for the Plazaola Green Path. The Plazaola or Tren Txiki was a small train that used to link San Sebastián to Pamplona until 1953. And nowadays its old tracks have been reconditioned to give life to the 63 kilometers of green path in which hikers and cyclists can enjoy its beautiful views. You can visit picturesque villages such as Lecumberri and enjoy a drink around the old town or by the old train station. You can also stop at Peru-Harri Museum in Leitza or simply explore the 19 tunnels within the path, including Uitzi, with its 2.7 kilometers is the longest tunnel of the green paths in Europe. Plazaola is one of the 5 cyclist paths you can find in Navarra. We have more than 120 kilometers through which the traveler can discover its history, culture and natural charms. Plazaola, Bidasoa, Irati, Tarazonica and the Vasco-Navarra will take you through mountains, fields, vineyards and rivers. To discover them is the best way to discover Navarra's kingdom at your own rhythm. So grab your bike, come to discover Navarra.